Hello friends, Maddie here. So this is I'm going to show you how to group an object to an empty, how to attach an object to an empty so that we can move our walking character. So this is my walking animation. This is a Minecraft character and this is my walking animations. Very simple and basic. Just I have moved the boxes back and front, the basic animation. And now I'm going to show you how to attach this walking animation to an empty so that we can move this animation. So for first I'm going to go in frame 1 and then I'm going to add empty. You can select any empty if you want. I'm going to select this empty. So this is our empty here. I'm going to access and just this is our empty. So this is my empty. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all this object and then empty. First I'm going to select all this object and then empty, and then I'm going to press Ctrl P and then I'm going to select keep transform. And now if I move this empty, see now if I select this empty and then I press the animation here and this empty I'm going to click and drag here like this. See, our character is moving right now. So like that we can attach an object to an empty and we can walk our animation. We can do the walking animation. There is another way. Uh, if you draw a curve and you can attach the object to curve also. This is one way and that is another way. We can click the curve and you can follow the curve. You can follow the curve and the character will walk around the curve. That is also one part. And if you add an empty, you can also move this character like this. So this is very handy in animation. When you are doing animation, you want to group an object. You can group an object, couple of object to an empty, and you can move the empty here and there. So this is how you can attach an object to an empty. So this is a very basic walking animation. So that's it, very simple video. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this, also some animation videos, also some gameplay videos in my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.